dancer! This is the tutorial video for surface pressure. I'm going to break the routine down step by step, and then when you're ready, you can click the link below and practice it with music. Let's start with our feet together, head down towards the floor, and you can just have a little bit of free movement as the intro starts. Then we're going to step out, strong, strong, and then you're going to push forwards, punch and lean backwards, and then pull. Nice. And then crouch down and up and stretch. Good. So we're trying to be nice and strong for this beginning section. So one more time, feet together. We're stepping out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 5, 6. Hold 7, 8. Nice. And then we're going to slowly stretch up, looking up towards our fist. And then we're going to make it nice and bouncy the next bit. So step and dig, and then bounce and jump. Good. Good, that little bit again. So we're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, jump 7, 8. Good, then we're gonna slide this foot in slowly, and then we're gonna bounce. We're gonna place both our hands on our leg, bounce, bounce, and then you're gonna do a little body ripple up. So bend your knees. If you've got a t-shirt, you can hold it, roll up. Repeat the other side, bounce, bounce, and roll up. Good, next bit, we're gonna put one hand on each leg and then bring it in, and the other side, out, bring it in, and then elbow, push, elbow, push. Good, nice so far, everyone. Let's try that from the beginning. So feet together, little bounce, and stepping out. 1, 2, punch 3, 4, down 5, 6, pose 7, 8, and stretch. Bouncy step, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, jump 7, 8. Good, slide it into bounce. 1, 2, and roll it up. Bounce and roll, just one, out, in, elbow, elbow. Fabulous. Next bit is the chorus, and you're going to do 2 jumps with your feet together. Jump, jump, and then take your feet out and repeat. Jump, jump, out. Then you're going to go round and then hit, other way. Round, hit. Good. And then repeat. Jump, jump, out. Jump, jump, out. But the second time we do it, we go down, up, and take your eyes over to your foot. Down, up. Good, so that little section for the chorus. We go. Jump, jump, down. Jump, jump, down. Go round and hit. Round again. Jump, jump, down. Jump, jump, down. This time, bend, look, Nice, we've got a little kick bit next. So you're gonna do a flex foot, kick, kick. Now you can either do 3 little runs, run, 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 or if you want it a bit trickier, you can do kick, kick, and then behind, side, front to turn you the other way. So that one more time. Kick, kick, 1, 2, 3. If that's a bit too much, just keep it as a little run on the spot. We're then gonna repeat that the other side. So kick, kick, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, just that little kick bit, we go. Kick, kick, and a 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick, and a 1, 2, 3. Cool. You're then gonna take 2 steps coming forwards, nice and strong. 1, 2, and strike a pose of your choice. You might strike up, you might strike down, whatever you wanna do. Then take it back, 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 and nice and strong. Good, let's put it together from the beginning. Feet together. Stepping out. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, and pose. Slow stretch. Nice and bouncy. 1, 2, 3, 4, both together, and jump. Good, slide it in to bounce. Out, out, and roll up. Bounce, bounce, just a single this time. Bounce, in, bounce, elbow, out, in, out, jumping, go, jump, jump, out, jump, jump, out, go round, hit, again, jump, jump, out, jump, jump, this time down, up, good, kicks, kick, kick, and a 1, 2, 3, kick, kick. Ready, walking forward, strike a pose of your choice. And back, back, strong. Good job. Okay, we've got a little bit more to learn. You're gonna do rib isolation. So to the side, side, and then step together, step. Okay, so just a little movement. Keep your hips still. So you go ribs, ribs, step together, step, punch up, and then roll over. Other side, we add the arm this time. 1, 2, and step together, step, punch, and open. Good, so that bit again, we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch, and over. Other side, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch, and open. Good job, very nice. Let's see if we can put it all together because we're very nearly there. So from the top, 6, 7, we step. 1, 2, punch, 3, 4, down, and pose. Slow stretch. Ready to swing, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and jump. Pull that leg in, nice and slow, to bounce, 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 and roll. Bounce, bounce, and roll. Just one. Bounce, in, bounce, elbows, go strong. In, ready to jump. Jump, jump, out. Jump, jump, out. Round hit. And again, jump, jump, out. Down, up, ready to kick. Kick, kick, and a 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick, and a 1, 2, 3. Coming forward, strike a pose. Going backwards, and ribs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch up, roll over. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch up, and over. Good, really nice, everyone. Last tiny section for you, just to finish off this phrase. You're going to kick this foot across. So heel, toe, and then kick, cross, turn. One more time. Heel, toe, kick, cross, turn. Good, and then a little bend, because then you're gonna explode and stretch those arms out. Cool, and that is the last phrase. So let's try it one more time from the beginning. And then remember, there's that separate video for you whenever you're ready to run it with music. 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 5, 6, 7, 8. And stretch. And swing, swing. And both together, jump. Pull it in to bounce. 1, 2, and roll it up. Bounce, and just one this time. Bounce, in, elbow, ready to jump, go. Jump, jump, out, jump, jump, out. Round hit, good, again. Jump, jump, out, and bend, stretch. Kicks, kick, kick, and a 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick, coming forward, 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 pose, and back, back, pose. Ribs go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch, and over. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch, explode. Good job. The last little bit, we're going. Heel, toe, kick, cross, turn, and out. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Now click the link below to practice it with music. Happy dancing!